Hello, candidates, and welcome to Government Crackers. So, today I am going to talk about the EKT FCAT examination. So, what sort of questions are asked for the general engineering section in the EKT question paper? Many of you basically do not have an idea that what is EKT all about. So, first of all, the difference between EKT and FCAT is that FCAT is the Air Force Common Entrance Examination that one gives to join the Air Force, and EKT is one extra paper that one needs to give if you want to join Indian Air Force and you are interested in joining the technical branches of इंडियन एयरफोर्स. ऑल राइट. सो जो आपके नॉन टेक्निकल होते हैं उनके लिए यू ओनली गिव द एफकैट एग्जामिनेशन. फॉर जॉइनिंग एनी ऑफ द टेक्निकल ब्रांचेज इन इंडियन एयरफोर्स आपको ईकेटी जो आपका एक एक्स्ट्रा पेपर होता है अपार्ट फ्रॉम एफकैट वो आपको देना होता है. ठीक है. सो नाउ ईकेटी का बेसिस क्या होता है, जो आप जिस भी पर्टिकुलर बैकग्राउंड से होते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड से होते हैं, इट मे बी योर कंप्यूटर साइंस, एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग, मैकेनिकल, सिविल. ठीक है. तो जो भी ब्रांच आप हैं, आप जिस ब्रांच से आते हैं उसी की चॉइस का वंस यू फिलिंग द एफकैट फॉर्म वहाँ पे आप अपना ब्रांच स्पेशलाइजेशन शो कर सकते हैं एंड उसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आपसे ईकेटी के एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाते हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर EKT exam consist branch wise questions, but there is one common term which is general engineering, जिसमें जो common mathematical concepts हैं, common physics के जो concepts हैं, that are being asked. So what kind of questions are basically asked, क्योंकि many of the candidates are not aware about EKT and the type of questions that come. So here I am not going to tell you the answers but the questions, so that you can have a basic practice and zest of what the EKT examination is all about and how the question comes into the examination. So I'll be telling you the questions one by one, and after watching this session you can have a practice, and further in the further sessions we'll be also telling you the answers and some more questions about the EKT examination. Also branch wise questions we'll be discussing. All right. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that you all can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Government Crackers and also join us on various other social platforms so that you can get all the defense related updates, class and notifications, so that you can have the benefit of it. Apart from that, there are also course material available for various CDS and FCAT written examination, consisting of video lectures also and compiled PDFs with concise content which comes into the examination. Apart from that, you'll be getting free stuffs which you'll get nowhere else. That is the newspaper, which is the most important part for giving any examination, monthly magazine, vocabulary and current affairs both in English and Hindi language. All right. For that you need to visit www.governmentcrackers.com. I already mentioned the website. You can go through the course details mentioned over there and which are available at a very nominal price. Also for EKT exam, if you're preparing for EKT, if you have a good concept, you can easily clear the examination. And if you want to have the question bank related to EKT examination for any of the branch specializations, we have a book related with 500 plus question banks for that particular subject for EKT examination, where you can avail it and have the practice for the respective branches. So now coming to the general engineering question, what sort of questions are being asked into the examination? So the first question here is the probability of hitting a target from one gun 9 by 10, from another gun is 7 by 10. If both the gun are fired at the same time, the probability of hitting the target will be. Your options are already given A, B, C, D, and you need to solve it and find out the right answer. Next question. If the three vectors A, B, C are coplanar, then the missed product of A into B, C is 0, non-zero, unity, none of these. Alright. So just go through the pattern, the topics from where the question are actually arising, so that you can have a benefit. You can just get the gist. Next. When a body hits an obstacle, the force with which it hits the obstacle depends upon average velocity, velocity at instant of collision, initial velocity, or all of these. Next question. Wavelength of visible light is the order of A, B, C, D. Next. Whenever a source of sound moves towards the observer, what actually happens? The frequency heard by the observer is less than the source. Frequency heard by observer is greater than the source. Frequency remains unchanged and or the wavelength of sound heard is greater than the of sound emitted. So see, these are very basic conceptual questions that we already studied into actually 10th and 12th level also. So there is nothing much difficult. The only more clarity of concept is there, you can easily solve the questions. Moving electron charges will interact with electric field only, magnetic field only, both of these, or none of these. Next, gamma radiation is most similar to sound waves, X-rays, alpha particles, or neutrons. Next question. Fundamental particles responsible for keeping the nucleus together is meson, antiproton, positron, or muon. Air contains 21% oxygen by volume and rest nitrogen. If the barometer pressure is 740 mm of mercury, the partial pressure of oxygen is close to. So your options are already given. In an electrolytic cell, the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy, or chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, or mechanical energy is converted into potential energy, or potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Next question. The force required to maintain a body at a constant speed in free space is equal to the mass of body, is it d0, the weight of body, or the force required to stop it. Next, if the length of a spring is half, the spring constant becomes half, 1/4, double, or 4 times. So see, the level of question is very moderate, or I would say easier at times. Maximum of the questions are conceptual and very easy, and we had all solved it either in the first or second year of graduation, or we have done it in a similar pattern in class 11th and 12th. So all you need to have the basic concept. You can easily clear this general part of the EKT. Next is the coefficient of static friction depends upon material of body in contact, quality of surface finish of the bodies, the presence of foreign material between the space, or all of these. Next, unit of angular impulse in SI system are. Next question. Stainless steel contains iron and what other? Chromium or nickel, chromium or carbon, nickel or carbon, or chromium or manganese. Next question. Property of material by which it offers resistance to scratching the indentation is called brittleness, hardness, toughness, resilience. Next, failure of material due to repeated stressing is known as creep, fracture, fatigue, or brittle fracture. Next question. The electric device which blocks DC but allows AC is called capacitor, inductor, amplifier, and transducer. Next, when a charge is moved from one point to another in electric field, the work is done independent of the path, zero of the direction in field, measured in joules per meter, or measured in volts per meter. Next question. A capacitor with lowest leakage is paper, ceramic, polyester, or mica. Next, Zener diode operates in extremely high forward bias, low reverse bias, extremely low forward bias, or in reverse bias higher than laid down voltage. Next question. The specific gravity of a lead acid cell is often used to measure its rate of discharge, operating temperature, state of charge, or life expectancy. Next question. An uniformly distributed load is one which acts as a point on a beam, spreads uniformly over the whole length of beam, varies uniformly over the length of beam, or loads the beam from one end to only. Next question. A steam engine device which keeps the speed of engine or loads constant is known as flywheel, eccentric, connecting rod, or governor. Next is the refrigerant having the lowest freezing point is ammonia, carbon dioxide, freon 11, or freon 22. Last question. Heat and work are path functions, property of a substance, point functions, or absolute unit. So you have seen, now you can analyze through these questions that from which topic the particular questions are arising. So you can have a gist that what all topics are important. I've also released the syllabus for EKT examination in my previous lectures. So all those who are just joining the lecture now, they can visit to the earlier videos regarding EKT which will be there on Government Crackers. So for practice material, you can definitely visit to www.governmentcrackers.com where you can find the question bank of more than 5,000 plus questions. For payment, within your time of payment, you will get it in 24 hours on your desired email address. So best of luck to everyone, and I'll see you with some more doubt sessions. If you want any other topic to be discussed, just comment it on the video and practice, have a basic practice through this session. Jai Hind.